What up guys, Eric here from RacingRamFam, and my Fender Dump rattles like crazy. But in today's video we are going to fix that rattling, so the first thing I'm going to do is start the truck and show you guys what I am talking about. Just sitting in the truck, you can hear it rattling like crazy. It's driving me nuts. And I'll show you guys what I'm talking about. Right there, you can see the hose clamp hitting the fender right there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna loosen that. Let me turn the truck off. Or we can hear the exhaust play. And back to our regular scheduling programming here. So what we are going to do, because I'm being lazy, is I don't want to drop the inner fender in the wheel and lift it up and do all that stuff. So all I'm going to do is loosen that V-band clamp right there, pull it out a little bit, and grind the top part of that wheel well housing and do some touch-up painting. So yeah, we're going to get right into that. After that painstaking 5 minutes with this ratcheting wrench over here, we finally got it turned enough so I can get my electric ratchet in there and get this baby whipped out. Alright, I don't want it to fall like it did in the last video, so I'm going to set you guys down for 2 seconds. Alright, so now that we got this baby pulled out most of the way, the only reason why I don't want to take this all the way out is because of the hose clamps. Makes it a giant pain to like try to work it out these holes because it barely fits. So we got it pulled out far enough that I can get my die grinder bit in here now. So I'm going to grind that down, put it back together, start it up and see if we fixed it. Alright guys, you are on my head now. So we're going to start it up, see if it... It's fixed. We'll go drive it just to make sure, and you guys get a little bit of a clip of me driving it. So I like the, hope you guys like the GoPro mount on the top of my head. Something different. Warm up. .2 miles per gallon. Friggin' Prius. It's 900 horsepower Prius over here. Driving with socks. Woo! Let's go! Oh, it shoves you in the seat so much. And the boost just lights up. Where's a Corvette? I don't see one. Oh, Crown Vic. Baby's black. Driving with my big toe. Got a sandwich too, 'cause I'm hungry. So, first person I'm supposed to get for a ride is Ryan from Mr. Auto Detour. But we're gonna do that tonight, but dang. I don't know how much my speedometer's off with these tiny tires in the back. Oh, look at this guy, he's flying up to me. Damn, buddy. What does that got in it? 2.7? because I'm trying to go fast. I'm trying to obey the speed limit here, and you guys don't seem like you're gonna obey it with me. Yeah, the only thing I'm worried about with that fender dump is if it hits my fender, I'm gonna probably cry. Actually not, because there was a lot of Bondo on my fender. This truck was in a front end crash in like 2006. So yeah, and it's had like 5 owners. I think I'm the 6th owner. It's got like 4 engines in it. I don't know, it's got a history of it putting motors in this thing. This thing does not like to keep an engine in it for more than 2 years, I guess. Is what the previous owner has stated to me on the Facebooks. But yeah, I think this motor is golden though. Knock on wood. There's no wood in here, but knock on something. Ooh. She squats and goes. Should probably balance my rear tires. It shakes a little bit.